Hi. So if you missed Zoom today, I'm going to go over a couple things in this video that I went over today in Zoom class. First of all, I need you guys to check the announcements. They're up here on the top of your course. So if you click on the announcement, it'll take you to the whole text. So if you missed Zoom today, I loaded the Pear Deck into the Classroom Expectations and Procedures assignment. Please review the slides and answer the questions. That's what I need you to do if you missed. In addition to that, on your home page, you'll see the things that you're responsible for each day. So this whiteboard changes every day. We logged into the Zoom, we worked on the Pear Deck, and you're required to submit the respect agreement form. If you're on a mobile device, so a phone or a tablet, this might not look the same and the links might not work the same, but that's okay. I will show you how to fix that. So if you click on the stuff in the whiteboard, like the Pear Deck assignment, it takes you to this page for your assignment. To get back to the classroom, you could just click home. Now, the other thing we talked about today was if you don't know what time Zoom is, which maybe you don't, you can get your class schedule in Student Self-Serve. And once you have your class schedule and you know what classes you have first, second, third, fourth period, if you will come to the homepage and you click this poster in the corner that is orange with lights, this takes you to a copy of the bell schedule. So if you have first period English, we meet at 8:45 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So science and social studies are Monday, Wednesday. Math and English are Tuesday, Thursday. If you have sixth period English, we're at 1:30 to 2:20. So make sure you are setting aside the right time for classes. And electives all meet on Friday. So CTHEI, Gateway, Band, Orchestra, Teen Leadership. We meet on Fridays. Now, if you have a mobile device and you can't click these links here, I'll show you what it looks like for me. If I turn on Student View, I can't get to these links, but that's okay because as I wrote on the whiteboard, these links are all under the modules. So if you come over here and you click modules, here's all the stuff from the home page. So here's what we did Monday. Here's what we did today. So the Zoom, Classroom Expectations and Procedures Pear Deck, and the Respect Agreement. And then here's the Pride Matrix, the bell schedule, the syllabus, and contact info. I didn't show you that, so let me go back home. Let me leave Student View. So on my home page, on my Bitmoji page, you will see that I said a lot of things on this page are clickable. What that means is they take you to other pages either in the course or on the internet. So, let me just pull up another one. So, if you click the phone or the computer on this table, it takes you to my contact information. So if you need to email me, if you want to come to office hours on Monday and Wednesday from 12:20 to 1:20, here's the Zoom link. And if you want to join my Remind, English and Advanced English is this first code. Teen Leadership is the second code. The other thing that's on this page, we have the newsletter, is this newspaper down at the bottom. So this has instructions on how your parents can co-enroll in Canvas. This has my schedule. So if you have a dentist appointment during 4th period English, but you still want to Zoom with us, I also teach 1st period and 6th period English. You could come to one of those. It has the schedule of what we are planning to do this week. And it has my Zoom link. No, it doesn't. This is just the Friday link. Monday, Wednesday, 12:30 to 1:20. The Zoom link is in Canvas. So that's the newsletter. The Pride Matrix, which you will learn about in the Pear Deck. The syllabus, which we will go over on Thursday. And I think that's it. If you guys have any questions for me, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great night, and I will see you on Thursday.